In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on GatesFX. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to the Funds tab on the left-hand side, and you want to expand it by clicking on it, and then clicking on Deposit Funds. When you do that here, you first have to select the wallet you would like to deposit onto. I'm going to select my default one, and then you can deposit from, you can select. I'm going to select crypto for this tutorial and press continue. After you do that, you have to type in the deposit amount. I'm going to do 100 USD, and then the credit amount is going to be 100 USD as well. Then you have to select your currency. As you can see, you have Bitcoin, TRX, ETH, and USDT and USDC. I'm just going to do ETH for this tutorial, and then here you're going to see the minimum deposit amount. Make sure you actually do read this warning and actually do whatever it says over here. So the network you have to select, etc., because otherwise you may make a mistake and then your funds will not arrive to your wallet. Therefore, you'll basically lose them. And then whenever you actually read this, consider this and accept it, click on continue. And then here, if everything looks fine, click on continue again. You'll receive your deposit address, you'll receive your QR code, and after this, you'll be able to deposit onto your address and get your money on there, okay? So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.